the mountains I will bow my life to the one who set me there. In the valley I will lift my eyes to the one who sees me there. When I'm standing on the mountain I didn't get there on my own. When I'm walking through the valley I know I am not alone. You gotta be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Ipsy Unbagging for you. Hopefully I was able to upload that travel vlog finally for you guys. If not, it will be up shortly. I decided to screen record my computer and hopefully that way I can upload it. But enough about that, let's get into the video. Ipsy. Oh, well, actually we get to see something first. But before we mention that, let's talk about the bag. So it's alright. Like, I don't know when I would be able to use this, but I mean it's cute, just not my cup of tea. The orange is a pretty orange. I like the little tassel. Maybe it's a little bit too bright for me, I don't know. I like that it's like a canvas bag because it's easier to clean. It has the little Ipsy logo down here instead of on the little zipper tabs that it usually has it on. So it's cute. Let's see if I can get the card so we'll know what the theme is. Yeah, this is the card. Okay, so confidence level. Selfie with no filter. Hashtag Ipsy. So that's that. Okay. I guess. I mean, I'm pretty confident. So it's not my cup of tea. Anyways, I got a. It's an SO Miss Glam. I was trying to think the name and I'm reading them. It's their brush SG62. Okay, so she's a YouTuber. She has a beautiful brush collection. And this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see if I can get close enough to the camera. So the wand is clear, but it has glitter in it. It's beautiful. Then you have the two little rhinestones right there, and it's gold. And engraved it says SL Miss Glam. Like, it really is engraved, I can feel it. And the brush is nice. I am very happy with this. I'm sure this brush probably costs like 20 bucks alone, maybe more. So yeah, 10 bucks. We pretty much got it done. Next thing in here is what I thought was the card at first, but it's Ofra Cosmetics Laboratory. So I have an Ofra eyeshadow from previous, but not in this color. Let's see, let's take it up. Let's see, does it tell me what? Blue jeans. It really does look like blue jeans. I don't know if you guys can see. How about we swatch it? Oh man, that's really pigmented. I'll take up the whole back of my hand. Whoa. Look at this, you guys. I don't even know if you guys can see that. It's ridiculous. Sorry, I'm a little, like, I can't believe it. Okay, so that's how much is on my finger, right? And then look at that. That one is so pigmented. I'm so ready to wear this. Oh, I'm loving it. So let's move on. I got another Hey Honey product. Okay, so I like the Hey Honey lip balm that they sent me the last time. I really like it. So let's see what they sent me this time. Take away the drama. Youth boosting honey and copper peel off mask. Okay, I'm excited. Oh, mask. So far we're 3 for 3. Go on, Ipsy. And then I got a box. We got a full-size Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lipstick. It's in the shade Trophy. I'm not... Okay. Yeah, they're redeemed. Like, the bag wasn't my cup of tea, but everything inside is... Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I am loving it. Like, I didn't even want to take it out the package. That's so crazy. Oh, I love this. It's like a matte clear too. I like that. Okay. How gorgeous is that color? Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I'm doing it justice, but look at that. I'm like, yes. Okay. I am fall ready. So let's review, shall we? We got the, hold on, wait, am I missing a product? I think I'm missing a product. I am, I'm trying. I'm so excited with everything. I was gonna miss a product. Okay, I got the $1 Billion Brows Mini Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, and it, of course it's in brunette. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. I'm already trying to like review everything. Well, I can tell you already, Ipsy, 10 out of 10 this month. Lean to my channel. Okay, I like it. It's matte, and it's not too dark, but it's not too light, which I really like. And I can carry it in my purse, you know, just in case I'm running late, which is like always, but yeah. So there you guys go. Now let's review. Yeah, I don't even know if I'm out of the shot or what. I'm doing it with my camera now, you guys, so yeah. So we got the Ofra eyeshadow swatched. We got the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte swatched. The eyebrow pencil swatched. Okay, we've got the Hey Honey peel off mask. Can't wait to try. And then the brush. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Y'all did it. Y'all did it, Ipsy. See what I mean? It's so worth it. $10 a month, and I can assure you all these products are way more than $10. The Huda Beauty Liquid lipstick alone is probably double. It's probably like 15 bucks, so maybe not double, but it could be 20 bucks. And then the brush, the SL Miss Glam brush, those are a little bit pricey, but they're beautiful. And the eyebrow pencil, I mean, oh my gosh, you guys. And this eyeshadow is full size too, because look how big it is. Okay, here's my hand, here's this. Okay, I don't want to take it out there, so I really need to get a C palette. But anyways, I am so happy with my Ipsy bag this month. So happy. Y'all killed it, Ipsy. Again, if you haven't subscribed to Ipsy, what are you waiting for? If you like makeup, or you have someone who likes makeup, this is a great gift. You know, if you have a couple of people who like makeup, you know, collect those bags. Christmas comes around, there you go. You didn't even feel it. You give them little baskets, little gift bags of makeup. I'm sure they'll love it, especially this stuff. So, or if you're a guy and your girl's birthday's coming up, you don't know what to get her, get a little subscription. Maybe you don't want to spend $50, you know, FabFitFun. which I will when I can. But I'm just saying, $10 a month, so worth it. I will put the link down below so you guys can go subscribe to Ipsy. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I sure was shocked when I received the full size set of beauty lipstick. If my face didn't tell you, I was shocked. And I hope that you guys subscribe. I have lots of videos coming out. I just been stuck on this one video since our trip in July, and I've been trying to post it, and I'm those people that are resilient and they don't want to give up. That's me. If I can find a way, I will find a way. So I'm sorry for the lack of videos, but they're coming, you guys. They are coming. Okay, I have stuff on this side that I want to film, so they're coming. Just bear with me. So once again, I hope you guys subscribe. Please like this video, it helps me out a lot. And comment down below, let me know if you got an Ipsy bag. If you did get one, what did you get? What was your favorite item? If you didn't, then what from what I got is your favorite, or what did you like? What intrigued you? Once again, you guys, I love you, and thanks for watching.